How we doing, guys? We're here at Hollywood Studios, Florida, and we decided to come today just randomly in the afternoon because she came up with an idea of riding as many times as we can the Tower of Terror. I don't know how good of an idea that is, but I was on board. I drove here 30 minutes, and this is gonna be our first run. I don't know. How many times do you think we're gonna get it?
At least 7.
At least 7. That's gonna make me want to throw up right
That's
after.
a challenge.
Yeah, but that's the challenge. We're gonna see how many times we can do it. There's a 20-minute wait right now. It's probably gonna be like that the afternoon. It's low season, so not much people are here. We're also gonna go check out cars because they are gonna close it October 7th. And yeah, it should be a fun day.
Show the people how beautiful this is.
The Twilight Zone. Alright guys, so I'm about to go Tower of Terror. First time. I think we could get more than 7 times. I think we could do more than 7. Like we pretty much didn't even wait like 20 minutes to get in this. I think we could do more than 7. I do have to be home by around like 8ish because Chile does play against Argentina today. But like I have big hopes that we're gonna be able to get at least 7 rides in. Like at least get on this 7 times because the lines are not crazy. We started the line at what, like 3:40, and we're already like about to get in. So I'll say I'm not scared. I know you're scared.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
What do you think, sir? Remember, your seatbelt's going from your left to right and left to right only. Your bag's on the floor. Hold on to anything loose. If not, it will fly and we'll go and roll when I roll. So wait on your numbers until you get cold. Anything on your head or in your pockets will slip out and fly far away. No, take some left, take some left. Take some left. Watch your step.
Oh, it's just like. Alright, so literally after just riding once, I'm already starting to regret doing this challenge, but let's go ahead and check out the photos. So typical Florida stuff, started raining. So we're here under Indiana Jones waiting for the rain to pass. I don't think we're gonna do the trying to ride as much anymore because we don't really have much time left and we only did it once. Ugh, we got our Starbucks though, so cheers. But we're just gonna wait for the rain, and wait times are pretty low, so we're probably just gonna go to Star Wars and then, you know, do whatever.
Let's go to Star Wars.
Alright guys, so we're in the tunnel between Hollywood Studios and the Galaxy Edge world, and it is raining pretty hard. And I'll tell you guys one thing, a lot of people come here just to like wait out the rain. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. So we decided to just wait a little bit for the rain. We're like on the opposite side of the park from Tower of Terror. So we're probably not gonna ride it again. Maybe one more time. Yeah, maybe one more time. But she has not done these new Star Wars ride, and they opened like 5 years ago. I cannot believe you haven't done it.
This is gonna be my first time.
I'm so upset. She thinks that she's just scared. She doesn't know. She doesn't have anyone to come with. So I was like, I volunteered to come with her.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it stopped raining a little bit, so we're probably gonna jump in line right now. But I'm excited. I'm excited for you because I've done it a lot of times before. She has never done it.
I'm a little scared
Nah, there's nothing too. If you like Tower of Terror,
Yeah?
you can easily get on this. Yeah. So we're gonna start heading over there, guys.
Gonna puke?
Nah. Rain stopped, so let's go ahead and do the attraction. Hi guys, so we're currently stuck in the line of Rise of the Resistance. It's been like 10 minutes since we haven't moved, and they tried to make an announcement, but like they didn't say anything. They just said attention please, and that's it. So,
No, that was the guy
oh, that was him.
behind
Oh, I
us.
thought I thought that was the announcement.
He was
I
like,
recorded it too, so
Attention,
attention please. But we're stuck, so we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna wait a little longer. We've been stuck for like 10, 20 minutes, and the line just doesn't move. They turned on the lights too.
Yeah, that's
They
weird.
turned on the lights. That's weird. That has never happened to me, so I don't know. I guess we're gonna wait. We should have stayed by Tower of Terror.
Right?
Hey, but we'll be puking by this time if we would have stayed there. So it's kind of like a win-win.
But now we're wet.
We should have brought our raincoats. That's true. We weren't prepared. That's right. Whenever we don't bring them, it rains, and when we bring them, it doesn't rain.
It doesn't. Yeah.
It's Law of Murphy.
Okay.
Law of Murphy, guys. Just be prepared all the time, no matter what. Just
Always
be prepared.
bring your photo.
Yeah. But we're gonna wait. We'll keep you guys updated. We're moving. I mean, I was just talking to the camera and I wasn't even recording, but we're finally moving. I don't know why it wasn't working, but the app says it's working. So
55 minutes.
55 minutes.
But we have been here for 30?
Probably. At this point, it's been like 30 minutes already, and we still got like a long way to go. Like, we're not even halfway done. We still got the show and everything. So, yeah, that kind of sucks. Disney, get your stuff together, guys. Come on.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Ready?
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator.
Unified taking evasive action.
Try to shake your balloon.
I'm trying, but
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base.
Get ready.
future of the
We're gonna see the
Resistance
first
is at
order
stake.
now. Uh-oh.
O sea, esto no era el juego.
No. We haven't even got on it yet. She thought this was the game, guys. She thought that was it. No, this is just the line.
starting.
We're just getting started. Look at this. How cool is this? So cool. Probably my favorite part of Hollywood Studios. Excited. No line, huh? I haven't seen this one, no line.
What?
There's no line.
No, that's cool.
Ah, so cool, no line. But we are under the first order, so we gotta be careful.
How many here? How many here? 2, follow that.
How cool is this?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Alright guys, we're getting in. I'll see you guys after the ride. What did you think about that? About the attraction?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yes, I didn't puke.
You didn't puke. I told you you weren't gonna puke in it. It's like it's like Mickey Runaway Railway, but like Star Wars version with like
Yes.
an added drop to it. That's it.
Yes.
It's not bad. But
We should go to the Mickey Runaway.
we should. What time is it? Yeah, we got time. What do you think?
Do we? I would love to go.
We're gonna do what is it called? We're gonna do Toy Story Mania, and then if we have time, cause we do wanna go watch the Chile versus Argentina game, we're gonna go to Mickey
And
Runaway
Minnie.
Railway. Mickey's and Minnie Runaway Railway. Are you excited for that one?
So excited. I love that.
I love that one too. I absolutely love this queue. It's so cool and so pretty, guys. And they actually redid this whole queue back in like 2020 before they reopened this ride, because the queue used to be over by where the Pixar area is
Did
now.
you have those screens when you were
Yes, I used to
kid?
have one of those. I used to love it. Like I used to beg my parents to buy me one. I actually used to have the Disney branded one.
Really?
Like the one that they saw with the whole Toy Story movie theme. I used to have that one.
And did you ever
No.
draw something good? Because
Let's just say like
my drawings were always
yeah,
terrible.
same. My artistic skills were not the best. Never. I sucked. Like I used to like for Mother's Day at school, you would have to like draw something pretty.
Always terrible.
Let's just say mine weren't the prettiest out there.
My drawings were never in the fridge. No.
Mine were straight to the trash can, straight to the garbage. But yeah, this is moving pretty fast, so we'll see who wins. I think I got it in me.
You got a friend.
We're about to get on Toy Story Mania. We did no more than 10 minutes. That was so
Nothing.
cool.
Yeah.
And then we got to skip the line because they needed a party or two. So we're gonna do Mickey Runaway Railway and then we're done. We're gonna call it a day. Our challenge failed. We did not ride Hollywood Tower of Terror seven times.
Next time we will continue with that.
Yeah, next time we'll do it for sure. We promise. I beat her. She sucks.
Come on, it was not that.
Okay.
I don't
Like
know how to say.
okay. To be honest, I beat her by 10,000 points.
And
But
that's nothing.
no.
That's nothing.
10,000 points means at least me pulling my hand 10 more times than her.
But it's only my second time doing this.
Oh no, this is like
attraction.
it's my 30th. Which one do you like better? Toy Story Mania or the one in Magic Kingdom, the Buzz Lightyear one?
Is there one in Magic Kingdom?
Did you not know that?
No.
The Buzz Lightyear one.
I never did that.
Hold on, ¿en serio no sabía la de Toy Story?
No, ¿cuál? ¿Dónde está?
La de Buzz Lightyear in Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
Okay, so she doesn't know about it. We're gonna go to Magic Kingdom in the next video because apparently she's been. How long you been a pass holder for?
3 years?
She's been a pass holder for 3 years and she has never went to the Buzz Lightyear ride in Magic Kingdom. That's insane. You never tried to get Cosmic?
But I know the one in Universal, the Men in Black.
Okay, yeah, I've been to that one. But have you never been to the one in Magic Kingdom, really?
No, because I'm not a Toy Story fan.
Have you been in the People Mover? Oh my God,
stop
she
this.
doesn't know anything, bro. I've been a pass holder for like 3 years too, and like I've done it all. I think like I've done every single attraction in Disney World and possibly Disneyland because I went to Disneyland in March. So I'm surprised, to be honest. Well, either way, we're gonna do Mickey Runaway Railway, and then we're gonna head out of here because Chile is playing, and I don't want to miss it. I know she doesn't care, but I care.
Chi, chi, chi. Le.
Viva Chile! But yeah, guys, so I beat her. That's all that matters.
Shut up.
So we actually decided that we're not gonna do Mickey's Runaway Railway. Little bathroom break, and we're gonna start heading out of here. I gotta say though, the crowd levels are down compared to like mid July, like June, mid July, and like even though it rains like every half an hour and like it's still pretty hot. Like in my opinion, this is a good time to come. Like we did like a 20-minute wait in Tower of Terror, then we did it was supposed to be a 50-minute wait and it could have been like a 30-minute wait, but since they shut down Rise of the Resistance, we did like maybe 45-minute wait. It's still less than the posted time, but we did do a 45-minute wait. And then we did Toy Story Mania, which we actually did like 10 minutes, and it showed 30. Like the posted time was 30 minutes. So the crowd levels are not that big. So if you're planning on coming to Disney World, this is a good time of the year to come. All right, guys. So I don't know if you guys heard the news, but this whole entire area is gonna be demolished or changed, and they're gonna be putting on a new villains show here at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. So we're gonna go watch the show. I watched it a couple times, but this whole area is not gonna be Lightning McQueen anymore starting October 9th, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and watch the show one last time because I don't think I'm gonna be back in this area before October 9th since I am pretty busy with Horror Nights. So let's go. Alrighty, guys, we're out of here. I had a great time with Carol.
Made it.
She plays for a band, guys, so if you guys are ever down here in Orlando, check out No Filter Band on Instagram, and they're amazing. I love it. I always go. Always show her support.
Yeah.
So make sure, stay tuned for the next vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Welcome to Florida, guys. Literally, it's pouring like crazy. Look at this. It's a regular like Thursday. There's not even like severe storm alert or anything. It's just I had to drive from Disney with this weather, guys. Like this is insane.